bliss and comfort, swing it with cheer. Calamity's kitchen is cooking right here.
When I learned this hack years ago, I think it changed my life. You won't have reappearing streaks or streaks that only appear when the light is shining on it or anything like that. It's great. Turn off any heat or light source and then spray, wash, boom, it's done and you'll love it. This works great on Windows too. I'll show you how that works in another video. Perfect. I'm having a problem with limescale and mineral deposits forming on the tile in my shower. A dishwasher tablet. That's all I'm going to use. I already have hot water in here, so I'm just going to take this one packet. So let's hope my little idea is a win and not a flop. I have it all over my shower just like that. Yep, I let it get that bad.
No way.
2 of the bottles that were in the Caddy, I put them in the solution to soak. The other bottle I left out so we can do a comparison. Look how long I've been showering with my Limescale. I decided that this Caddy needed to soak a little bit more, but it eventually came all off. And you know what? This is a very economical way to clean the Limescale off of anything. And you know, I'm going to say that this is a win. Definitely a win. Let me show you how to clean your kitchen cabinets without having to use all the chemicals. You can do it with things you have on hand. Let me show you. You can use any dishwashing soap.
Here's the secret.
Then you just want to put a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit, okay? Nothing much. And then warm water. Make sure you have a microfiber towel. Wipe off the cabinet, get all the dust and dirt off of there. Then spray it with your solution. Wipe it down, including the doorknobs. Get it really good. It even works on bathroom cabinets. It is so versatile. You will love this solution. Give it a try. Look at this! Stains in between all the cracks from the knives and everything.
Wait, what?
Use a combination of just regular white vinegar and a little bit of Blue Dawn.
But the 2 of them together are the perfect cleaner.
I clean everything with it. This here is literally the perfect combination to clean everything. Grab your oil because we need to moisturize.
Aww.
Let it set overnight and in the morning, just wipe it off with a towel. Easy as that. Every 2 weeks. I'm Calamity Girl and this is my point of view. Have you ever tried putting on your pillowcase and all you do is just fight and fight and fight with it? Well, I got your answer. Take your pillowcase, turn it inside out, okay? Then reach up into that pillowcase again. Grab the corners. Then the corners, grab the corner of your pillow and then just easily bring it down, just like that.